Standard 7th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, Basics of Presentation. PowerPoint is often used to create business presentations but can also be used for educational or informal purpose. The presentations are comprised of slides which may contain text, images, and other media such as audio clips and movies, sound effect, and animated transitions can also be included to add extra appeal to presentation. However, overusing sound effect and transitions will probably do more to annoy your audience than draw their attention. A presentation is a series of slides that include text, graphic, picture, audio, chart, videos, and more. Now, students, in this lesson, we learn the basics of presentations like slide structure, slide layout, editing a slides, and about slideshow. Slide structure. A slide contains a placeholder, which is marked dotted line rectangle area, and contains items such as text, graphics, charts, etc. Some of the placeholders are thumbnail size icons that include the options to insert the pictures, charts, videos, tables, smart art, and online pictures. Slide layout. A slide layout is an arrangement of your slide content in different type of placeholders, formatting and positioning. Each layout has different arrangement and descriptive name. Students, for that, click on Home tab. In your slide group, you have to select the layout options. Open an existing presentation. In the PowerPoint window, click on the File tab. Click on Open and then select Browse. The Open dialog box appears. Now student, choose the location of the file and then click on Open. Edit a slide in PowerPoint. Editing a slide requires adding a new slide, moving a slide, duplicating a slide, and deleting a slide. Add a new slide. Now students, you have already learned how to add a new slide. Now learn how to add a new slide with a different layout. On the Home tab, click on New Slide in the Slides group. The Office theme drop-down menu appears. Choose among the different slide layout like title and content, to content, blank, etc. Okay, which one you like layout you can select. Move a slide. Select the slide which you want to move. On the Home tab in your clipboard group, you have to select cut option. Otherwise, shortcut is press Ctrl+X on the keyboard. Choose the place where you want to move the slide. On the Home tab, click on the paste option in the clipboard group or press Ctrl+V shortcut key on the keyboard. The slide is moved to a new place. Duplicate a slide. Select the slide which you want to duplicate. On the Home tab, click on Copy, the drop-down arrow, and select the duplicate. Or right-click on the slide and select the duplicate slide. Delete a slide. Right-click on the slide which you want to delete and select the Delete Slide option. Or student, on the Home tab, in the Tell Me text box, type Delete Slide and choose the command. Rearrange slides. Select the slide you want to rearrange. In the thumbnail pane, Click and hold the slide. Drag and drop the slide in the desired place. To rearrange multiple slides together, what you have to do? Press the shift key and select more than one slide. And then drag and drop the slides to a new place. View your presentation in slideshow. Once you have created your presentation, now you would probably want to show it in front of an audience, or you want to view it yourself. The view that displays the presentation in full screen mode is the slideshow view. For that, on the slideshow tab, select between from beginning, otherwise you can select from current slide in the start slideshow group. Or students, you have to press the F5 key on the keyboard. Thank you.